Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can remove the emoji from a video clip on the CapCut. So here I already have this type of video, and you'll see now that there is an emoji in my video here. But if I want to remove it, whenever I tap into this emoji, there will no actions pop up. So I have no options to remove this emoji. And how to remove it then? Just need to take a look at this button feature and just type into the text, because the emoji will be in the text section. Now here you already got the clip for the emoji, and you just need to tap it. The option that you can do, you can just go click X, or you can go click delete. Then whenever you do it, those emoji will be removed from your video clip. So that is for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy it. If you still have some question, or if you want us to create you some tutorial, just drop into the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe into this channel, turn on the notifications, and let's meet again into other tutorial.